able to encrypt the drive. Okay, so this is the points. Now, how to do it? Take small size drive. Take small size drive only. Okay, so small size means 4 GB, 5 GB, 10 GB, like that only. So don't take 20, 30, 40, 50 GBs. Don't try on C drive. Don't do it on a C drive mainly. It is your operating system drive. So if you forget a password and you restarted a computer and you can't able to log in again. Okay, so don't try it on C drive, and C drive having a huge data, almost like a 15-20 GB data C drive will take. Okay, that too in Windows 7 new version, it is more than 15 GB data is consuming. So 15 GB data, if you want to do encryption, you have to start encrypting now. You can come after 2-3 days. Simply I'm telling. Okay, so that much of time it will take. Okay, don't write on your physical machines. Not required, guys. It is not even any protection here. Okay, so we are not fear of that any protection, but only thing is really it is a sensitive computers. Means you are working in one organization. You got a pro or a enterprise mainly. You have a very sensitive data in the drive. You want to protect it because of there is a one kind of virus ransomware. It attacks on your data. So completely they will encrypt entire your machine, so they don't leave it easily. You have to pay, then only they will leave your PC. You cannot use any PC, you can't do anything. Once it is attacked, everything is gone. 1 second. Hello. Okay, take small drives, don't try it on a C drives. Okay, so that is a very important. Only people who are using enterprise versions, very sensitive data, so they can able to do it. So because of there is like a certain attacks on systems, it may be damaged. That is like that. Okay, for normal our computers, we don't require that much of protection. Okay, some people are virus freaks, protection freaks. You know, usually some of my friends also tell like their Gmail is compromised. Someone is hacked their Gmail. How they hacked their Gmail? So because of they told their Gmail address and the password, they said use mine. Then that guy will give to others, or they use in some random places. That will be happens. Okay, so don't do like that. So simply we'll go with the BitLocker. What to do? So first of all, I'm going to create very small drive and I'll put some data in it. Okay, already I have a drives, E drive, F drive, G drive, so many drives are there. But still I have some more 50 GB unallocated space is there. I will create a small drive. So 4 GB drive I will create. So it is faster, it will work. Okay. Now you guys are tell me how to how to create a partition. First of all, we have to go
Disk management.
Disk
very good.
MGM.
Very good. First of all, you go to disk management, disk mgmt.msc. Okay, you can use your existing drives, E drive, F drive, also you can use it, or you can better to create a new drive because it's already 20 GB. You can shrink the volumes and you can use it, no problem. But I have a 50 GB unallocated, and that in virtual machine, I'm creating new simple volume. New simple volume.
Next.
4 GB 4096. I remember the numbers. Okay. 1024 1 GB, 2048 2 GB, 4096 4 GB. Okay. 6 GB also 6144, 8192 for 8 GB, 10 GB we know that one. Okay. So this is 4 GB. 4096 means 4 GB. If you put one more zero, that is become 40 GB. Okay. So 4 GB, 4096. Next.
Yes, sir.
Leave about a H drive. NTFS.
NTFS.
So
Finish.
don't just simple. Okay.
Direct
So I created a H drive for 4 GB. Now you can see from here 4 GB drive is created. So you want to put some data, so then I will take data from my physical machine because we are already so where is the files? Yeah, here it is. Copy some files or all files. Oh yeah, this is completely free files. Okay, I'll take it, drop the instead of creating. So if this symbol is showing, means you can leave the mouse. Now it is copied into our lab, our watching. It's copied, means data is exist about the places. Now it contains some data. That's enough. Okay, so this is H drive. Now we have to do BitLocker. Go to, you can do it from here also, guys. Right click, turn on BitLocker. You can do it from here also, no problem. Okay, but I want to go to control panel. So control panel. Bitlocker Drive Encryption. Okay. And which drive you want to encrypt it? You want to do on C drive, E drive, F drive, like that. So I want to do it on a H drive. So there is a requirements for a BitLocker. One is TPM, other one is USB pendrive. Okay. To do BitLocker is one is TPM, another one is a USB drive pendrive. Or is there. TPM means trusted platform module. It is not a OS related, it is hardware related. So hardware support, OS support should be there for use TPM. Okay. So of course, pen drive is also there. Normally we know the pen drive, right? What is the use of this one? Is to store recovery key. Okay, that is very simple recovery key. If you forget a password, it is key is there. So whatsoever it is, we don't have any TPM USB here, no problem. So go to H drive, turn on BitLocker. The mouse, where is my mouse? Okay, see it is. H drive, turn on BitLocker. Just click on turn on BitLocker. Then it will ask like this. Do you want to use password to unlock, or do you want to use smart card? You know, some organizations to unlock the drives, they will give you smart cards.
Yes, sir.
So I'm giving password only. My password is very simple password. Capital Z AQ @1234. Capital Z AQ @1234. You no need to give admin@123. But what are the password you given? Compulsory should be in a 7 or 8 characters must be there. Better 8 characters, upper cases, lower cases, letters, means numbers, case, symbols should contain. Okay. So I use a uppercase already, one capital Z, AQ, at the rate, and 1234 numbers also used. Okay. So that is a password I given. Next, you have to back up recovery key. You have to back up your recovery key. Either you can print the backup or you can store in your Microsoft account if you are already integrated with Microsoft account, or you have already email is configured, then you can store in your Microsoft account or work account. You can store it, or you can save as a file. You can save to a file. I choose save to file because I don't have Microsoft account. I don't have any printer here. So better is save to file now. Save to file. By default location is my documents. You can store in the documents, but I store in my keys folder. In a keys folder only. C drive keys folder. Easy. I can easily remember. Easy to access kind of stuff. See, this is my recovery file. Save it. Saved it. Next, it is asking, do you want to encrypt entire drive, or do you want to encrypt only the data in the drive? Okay, it is a 4 GB only, so entire drive is also okay. If in case you have a big drive is there, like a 50 GB, 100 GB drive is there, so better to use this option. Okay, if you use this option for on a 100 GB drive and 10 GB data, so it will take a lot of time. Okay. If you use this one, only the 10 GB only encrypted, entire drive is not encrypted. So faster, better for a new PC and drives. I use entire drive, no problem. Any option, no problem, guys. Nothing will happen. So we need how it is works. New encryption mode or compatible mode. Compatible means it works with a older version of Windows 10 systems also. Okay. This is new encryption mode. It only works with a new version Windows 10, 15, 11, 11 version onwards. This is the thing. New encryption mode, XTS, yes, they are using this type of algorithm for encryption. Next, now it is start encryption is there. Click on start encryption. You want to see all the options from starting? Or okay? No problem. Don't feel shy, guys. I cancelled it. Okay. So H drive, Bitlocker Drive Encryption, turn on Bitlocker. Select the password. Give the password, but don't forget the password. Okay, I given password 2 times. Next, save to a file. I'm saving the file in this one only. So this is already there. So I'm deleting that one because I don't want to confuse with old file. So this is my file. Okay, C drive, keys folder. Okay, this is the file, new file it is. Save it. Okay, next. You can use either option, any option, no problem. I select second. You can select first one also, no problem. You can use compatible or a new encryption mode. I am using new encryption. And finally, start encrypting. That's the only thing, very simple. Now it is encrypting 4 GB. It will take at least 1 minute, 2 minutes kind of stuff like that. Guys, anybody is not getting, sometimes, we are sitting in online. I can't see you. Normally, when we are in a physical classes. I can see the faces and people understand, not understand. At least somewhat I will get it and I will ask the person, are you understand? Are you able to do it or not? Physically we'll go and check their system whether able to do it or any problems are there, then we immediately solving. But it is not like this one here, right? You're doing on your own and if you got a problem, see Sanjeevani said like at 12 o'clock only, okay? She said she got a problem. I didn't see and I went outside for food. I came back, I started a class. Okay. And sometimes we don't get a point. Even if we tell 100 times, we don't get that point. Okay. So don't feel shy, guys. Someone is understanding, someone is giving an answer means you don't know anything, then we sitting simply. No, not like participate. Try to give. It will give encouragement to me also. It will also encouragement to you. Then you will able to enjoy the learning. Otherwise, what happened? Sir will told something, we tried, it is not working. What to do now? So leave it like that. These things will come. Like my Java classes or Oracle classes, huh? AWS classes, right? So this is what had happened. I am experienced that kind of stuff. Anyway, I don't understand Java, leave it. I don't understand complete project related, so leave it. Okay, so like that. Because of no encouragement, like this, close. Just it is completed, close. So you can back up your recovery key. For example, you forget to back up, so you can back up your recovery key now. You can change a password. You want to change the password. You given a password, but you want to change the password. You want to remove the password. You want to add a smart card. This is turn on auto unlock. Means you start your computer, log in with a admin password, username and password. Automatically it unlocked. Automatically it unlocked. You don't want BitLocker on it. Turn off BitLocker. So this is options. So look at it and you will understand very easily. So BitLocker is on the H drive. Your BitLocker is done. Look at this H drive. There is a lock symbol is appear, and it is a open lock. And it is a open lock. Meaning is you can able to directly open your drive and read the data. Okay, it is just BitLocker. To lock it, what to do? Somewhere I've written. You have to
Shut down and start.
restart or a shutdown. Means currently today my work is completed, then I shut down my computer. Tomorrow I open, then it is locked automatically. So to lock the drive, either you restart or shut down, and next time when we start, automatically it is locked. I'm restarting. I'm here only. Still my work is not completed, so I restart to the lock. Guys, here it is very dangerous thing is you log in, it is unlocked. It is unlocked, and I are locked or unlocked, whatever it is. I log in with other user, second user. If it is locked, if I know the password, I type the password, it will open. If it is already open by administrator, sign out, student 1 unlocked the drive, log out, student 2 log in, and for student 2 it is unlocked. So only it is locked if you restart your computer or shut down your computer. Understand? If you sign out and sign in with a different user, it won't be any change. It is unlocked, it is unlocked only. If it is locked, it is locked only. To open the lock, we need a password. To lock it, we need a restart. That is the thing. Just before yeah, let it restart. Yes.
टाकून ग्रुपला यश एंटरप्राइजेसची तो काय म्हटलंय
Okay, you are speaking to someone.
आणि पैशांचं काय बोलला
Yeah, Sanjeevani, just look at here. You have to select second option in this column. So you have to select This second option, SATA CD-ROM. When you select it, again it is showing blank screen. Click on the screen, press enter. When it is showing, press any key to boot from CD DVD. Okay, so I will show you that how it is screen is look like. Press any key to boot from CD DVD. So look at this. I will show you the picture like this. It shows like this. It is very sharp. It is less than a 5 seconds. It will be there. So when you see this one, so when you click on the screen and press the second option to SATA CD-ROM, okay, so it shows here, immediately press enter. Immediately press enter. So first dot itself, press enter. If in case your mouse showing like this, that hand symbol, click on the screen. Okay, click on the screen. Like you can see, it is showing hand symbol. If I click it, it go to virtual machine. If you click it, it go to virtual machine. Then immediately you can see that symbol and click it. Okay. If you are getting a blank screen, only blank screen, not that option. Alt Control Insert. Click on the blank screen. Alt Control Insert. Okay. I need a keyboard for that one, but online keyboard is won't work here. This is Alt Control. You can find where is the insert also. Somewhere is located. It is enhanced into different keyboard. This is direct keyboards. Okay. Alt Control Insert for a VMware virtual machine is Alt Control Insert for a VMware virtual machine is like a Alt Control Delete. Again, it will display. If still unable to find it, no problem. Just share your screen. We'll set it after this class. Means after this part. Okay.
Sir, it is start now.
What happened?
Sir, it will show like language to install, time and currency
It's
format.
showing.
Language to install, time and currency format, keyboard or input method like that. For
Okay. Okay.
Windows
Then you can
installation.
continue. That is like you
Okay.
already went inside. So you can select
Yes, yes.
language. No, not language. Time
Yes.
and currency format is English India. So everything will set.
Okay.
Install now. Remaining steps you know, right? Already.
Yes,
We
sir.
can do it. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So this is golden lock. Golden lock symbol. Can you able to see, guys? Gold lock.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is meaning is it is locked. How to unlock it? Just try to open. Ask for a password. If you give password, it will open. So I given a password and click on unlock. Lock will be open. You can see more options. Like if in case, if you forget the password, go to more options, enter recovery key, then you have to go to give the key. That is again I will tell, but currently see the how to unlock. Give the password, click on unlock. Automatic unlock is completely waste. Okay, that is people who are using their own self. Yes. Still it is protected only, guys. No one will hack your this thing because it's a encrypted data. So it is, you can able to see it. Whether you are an administrator or not an administrator. If you know the password, you can able to open. Now it is unlocked. It is unlocked. Now you sign out. Sign in with a student too. Still it is unlock mode only. Still it is unlock mode only. To lock it, again you require restart. Again you require restart. Several restarts are there in this one. I don't like restarting of pieces. Few are compulsory. So it is 5:45. Okay, so anyway, completed. So Bitlocker. So main practicals are completed first of all. These are also important. These are a theory is also they like to show part only. I like printer and printer sharing. Earlier days classes I showed that kind of. So lot of practicals I lost because of syllabus timing, online batches. Still I like that printer sharing, and that too our new version of Windows 10 is not having different type of drivers. Okay, so finally it is locked. So recovery key. So last point is I want to say in a BitLocker. So recovery key. What is this recovery key? So for example, I type a password because I forget the password. I tried one password. Now it is enter password incorrect. I forget the password. How to recover it? So click on more options. Enter recovery key. Enter recovery key. You can see 48-digit recovery key to unlock the drive. Key ID is 792417F8. 792417F8. So that is the key ID. So go to C drive. My keys are in here only. So this is the key. Open. So can you see key identifier? 792417F8 is a key identifier. I deleted earlier one key. So maybe this is the one. Restore. Okay. Don't restore. Don't restore. Because both are same keys on. Okay. So I have to identify our key. So open your file, BitLocker recovery file. See the key identifier and mainly this block. This is the key identifier. This is the recovery key. Okay. If key identifier matches, copy the recovery key completely. Highlight the entire key recovery key and copy it and go to your drive. Go to more options. Enter recovery key. Then see it is there is a key ID and paste the key. Paste the key. Unlock. Now it is unlocked. So I can able to access the data. So this is how to recover the key. Recover like how to unlock it with the recovery key. Guys, understand how to use the recovery key?
Yes, sir.
So for example, you have a Z drive, F drive, E drive, S drive. Okay, you BitLocker. Then you are BitLocking, and each one generate a one key. Now I want to recovery key for this one. I want to use a recovery key for this one. So what to do? Go to that keys. Okay. So what to do? First of all, simple. Go to your drive. Okay. So try to open. Enter recovery key button. See the key ID. Check where the key ID is matching with which file it is matching. Then check key ID matches. Copy the recovery key and paste there you can able to open it. Next, you forget the password. For example, you forget the password. What to do? Okay, you can change BitLocker password. You can manage BitLocker, or you can change the BitLocker kind of stuff, or you can directly go to control panel. Go to Bitlocker Drive Encryption. See, BitLocker is turned on. Turn off BitLocker. You don't want. You want to remove the password, or you want to change the password. To change the password, first of all, you have to give current password and give the new password. Otherwise, you can remove it or turn off the BitLocker. Okay, these are the things you can do it. Like you want to change the password, click change password, old password, new password, confirm password. If you are forget the password, reset a forgotten password. So click there, enter your new password because it is already unlocked, no problem. So you have to enter the password. Okay, that is how to change the password. So simply change password, reset a forgotten password, and give it. Drive is already unlocked. If it is locked, maybe it will ask for a recovery key. So you can back up the recovery key if you lost the backup recovery key. Turn off BitLocker means I don't want BitLocker again. So then turn off the BitLocker. Again, it is decrypting it. So it is decryption is completed. See, it is lock symbol is gone. Here, very careful thing is never format your system. If you are going to format your system, means you are removing your operating system and reinstall. Better decrypt all your drives. Decrypt all your drives. Okay, better is that one because of the key mechanism, everything stores in C drive only. Okay, even though you have a recovery key kind of stuff, maybe may not be you will open or not. Practically, I never done that one. Okay, so you have to check it in a Google search or a YouTube videos. So if in case you have lost your operating system, but there is a drive, BitLocker, how to recover this kind of stuff. Maybe there is a third-party tools or Microsoft tools may be there. Okay, so that is the important. So whatsoever it is, guys, this is the BitLocker. Understand how to do it, how to remove it. I'm not writing any steps here. Okay, that's it.